Tell us what were the most positive aspects of this
The
first.
most positive for me was like their faces, as I said. But one more time, if the day that I stopped having fun teaching, I think that will be, I will be thinking of doing something else, and I really had fun. Okay, one more time, guys. You have to make the effort. You have to be flexible. You have to find the time. You need to want to do it. Okay, if you are not convinced, then you have to be, but you will feel like, oh, this will work. Okay, I enjoy it so much, and look at my children; they're really still talking about it. This after weeks. They're like, "You remember that? You remember when they told us? Do you remember what that person wrote?" So that was the most positive one. Yeah, that was the one I enjoyed the most, 100%. I love this picture. Thank you guys for adding this picture. This is a special picture for me because those children are not with me anymore, and I really miss them. Claude, Boynette, Princess. Oh my gosh! So yeah, guys, as you can see, they're really like paying attention. The thing is, like, Begonia was there, Barry was there, like two people, outsiders, coaching them. They did great activities as well. They talked about Christmas, and they brought some presents. Of course, the children love the presents. And I don't know, man. It was very engaging. It was really like, it was cool. It was cool. I still cannot stop looking at the picture. I love this picture. Sorry about that. That's it.
So, since this is your second project, what things do you think is it we need improvement?
Okay, improvement. The only the thing didn't work last time when we did the Ticola was that our children couldn't access the virtual world. Okay, they were very excited about that because I talked about that, but it wasn't for them. Vocabulary was very very tricky. The level of proficiency that the virtual world had, it wasn't for them. But I have to think that Tekola wasn't made, it wasn't designed, okay, for primary schools. So I always had that hope that maybe, but it wasn't designed for that, and in the end, we couldn't do it, okay. And right now, the eLife project it was designed for primary, secondary, for a different level, so it would be different. So it was negative, but I knew it wasn't designed for that. So, and now it was changed. So now we know that eLife will be ready for my children as well. Things to improve, that is, it's not up to that project, but it's like the lack of time. No, you have to remember that we do this during our lunchtime, after school, after school, at home, after school, at night. So you always have to find the time, because you don't have in your timetable at the school is like, okay, so Monday is eLife project time, because your head will tell you like, forget it. So I have to say that I got 2 slots, so 2 45-minute slots for this year, something that I'm very grateful about. But the lack of time, because it's not part of the curriculum, you know what I mean? It's something that you do because you want to implement, you want your children to enjoy it. It's something that is quite tricky, and it's hard, no? And that will be it. Yeah,